Dear friends, today we are going to talk about something really important and very deep. We talk to others. Of course, interpersonal communication is important. This is a well-known fact. However, do you know we are talking to ourselves all the time? This is called self-talk or internal monologue. This is also called inner voice or voice of the mind. It might appear that we are not talking to ourselves. After all, I am not talking to myself. How do I talk to myself? Reality is there is a voice which is always there in our minds, loud or silent. This goes on during daytimes and sometimes in the night as well. This inner voice is in fact a sum of conscious thoughts and unconscious beliefs. Why is it so important? Why are we even talking about it? The matter is what we keep telling ourselves becomes our reality. Yes, we become what we keep telling ourselves. The question is, are we telling ourselves the right things? Self-talk can be positive or negative. In simple words, telling yourself positive things about you and circumstances is positive self-talk. And telling yourself negative or discouraging talks is negative self-talk. Positive message will encourage and motivate you. They will raise your vibration and take you to a level where you would feel that everything is in your reach and you are mighty. Negative messages will limit you, block you, since you deem yourself lower than who you really are. They will not let you believe your abilities and ultimately stop you from achieving your goals. Negative self-talk can be very toxic. The fact could be that negative self-talk can be completely untrue and can be your fantasy. Ultimately, you will be stressed and frustrated, and over a period of time, you will find that you have done injustice to you. Always keep in mind that self-talk and self-esteem go hand in hand. The first step to do or accomplish something is to believe and keep telling yourself that you can achieve it. Stop doing the following. Following are a few small steps which we can take to avoid falling in the trap of negative self-talk. Playing what-if games. Constantly thinking of worst case scenario and thinking what if this or what if that. This does not serve any purpose and brings you down by increasing stress and worry, blaming self or others. You can bring changes only if you bring yourself out of this negative frame of blame. Forgive yourself and take charge of your life. Keep looking at the past. If you constantly look at the past, you will find difficulty moving forward. Overanalyzing the past is not good. So friends, this was our small tutorial, small video on self-talk. I hope you found it useful. This is just a glimpse. We have much more content coming up. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel and keep visiting our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.